In this video, we will look at the concept of standard form. It's a special way of writing numbers. It can be either very big, numbers can be either very big or very small. We can see a general form how to write such type of numbers or values. For example, let's take a general form. 8 times 10 raised to power n. Okay, so this is a general form of writing standard numbers in standard form. Like a can be any value starting from 1 to 10, and n can be any whole number. It can be positive or negative with the base 10. So this is a general form of writing numbers in standard form. So look at some of the examples. How can we write those numbers in standard form? Like 456. 456. Again, we are using this general form and make it in the ordinary number into standard form. Okay, what did we do? We need to make it in standard form. So, and you know that this number can starts from 1 to ends up at 1 to 10. So we have to make it like between 1 and 10 and 1 till 10 values. So it can be in this form. And you know that there is an invisible decimal point over here after the ends. So if we move it 2 times before the starting one, after the starting value, it will give us the power n, and the decimal point will be here. And in this way, we will change the a value between 1 to 10. All right. Let's check out another example. 123.4645. Alright, again, it's a number way greater than 1 till 10. So we again need to move our decimal point from right to left. Okay, you have to keep this thing in mind. Whenever you moving the decimal point from right to left, the power in the decimal power of 10 will always be positive. But whenever you move from left to right, the power will be negative. So again, we are moving 2 times, and we are moving the decimal point after the first value. So again, the power will be 2 because we move it 2 times. All right. So this is a way of representing ordinary numbers into standard form. Let's check out the standard form to ordinary values. Write each of these as an ordinary number. All right. So 409 times 10 raised to the power 6. So we need to remove this decimal point and move it over here. Again, we have to do the opposite of that previous concept. So what will we do? I'm just splitting up this like this. I'm sorry. Whenever it's like the base is the same, you can add up the powers over here. Just split that power 6 into 2 so that you can times it with this and write it in this way. And again, we have this and this power, and now we are going to write it in this form. This is the ordinary number, or you may say that opposite of standard form. Okay, over here we have two word problems that also relates with the standard form. This is the second. This is okay. We are done with the first question, second, and last third, and this one will be the fourth. So fourth one is your homework. You can do it on your own. I will do the third one. Okay, the approximate area of all the land on Earth is 10 raised to power 8 square miles. The area of the British Isles is 10 raised to power 5 square miles. How many times larger is the Earth's area? Alright, and over maybe the British Isles. And this whole part is 10 raised to power 8, and this is 10 raised to power 5. So what will you do to see how much the area of Earth is greater? So over here we need to learn some of the concepts before doing this question. Like there are 3 points that I want to tell you. Okay, when the bases are same and the powers are different, you can just add up the powers with each other because the base is same, alright? But if it's in this form, what will you do? You just need to times the powers with each other, like this, alright? And when you have something like this, what you need to do, you just do subtract the powers of the denominator with the numerator. Like you have to keep these 3 points in your mind, so then we can easily do this fourth problem. Okay, so how much is the greater part of the earth than the British Isles? We need to use this over here by writing 10 raised to power over 8 over 5. What's area over this? Because we need to find out the larger part. So Earth's area is 10 raised to the power 3 times greater than the larger than the British Isles, or you may write it in ordinary form like this, 1000. Okay, fourth is your homework you can do.